There was a time when hemp stood as one of humanity's most vital crops, a strategic resource cultivated across continents. Hemp clothed, sheltered, nourished, and healed generations. Then, somewhere along the way, we lost the plot. Misinformation, fear, propaganda. But we never lost sight of the truth. We saw the potential, a resilient crop with thousands of uses, a pathway to healthier land and industries. We started as seed suppliers, but the vision grew. What if we could regenerate soil, reinvigorate industries, and reimagine what premium products are made of? Hemp can clean land, build homes, replace plastic, feed people, fuel industries. It's more than idealism. It's economics, solid ROI, a regenerative reality. We've broken through barriers, debunked stereotypes, educated industries, and secured partnerships with those who see the future clearly. Our breeding legacy began in 1996, combining traditional methods with genomic data. Over 20 years later, we offer cultivars like Wangara and Ruby, thriving across Australia's diverse climates. We support farmers from seed to stalk, providing genetics, agronomic guidance, and market access. Our practices comply with national regulations, ensuring quality and sustainability. Our partnerships with institutions like the University of Queensland drive research and innovation, positioning Australia as a leader in the global hemp industry. We're Hemp Farms Australia, and we're restoring one of the world's most valuable crops. Not for nostalgia, but for progress, for clean industries, for healthier soils, for the next generation. Hemp belongs here, and we're making sure it stays.